Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Institute Rank. Are you searching for the best NEET coaching in your city quota? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 4 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city quota. Before beginning the video, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below. So without further delay, let us begin the video. Before moving to our top 4 institutes, I would like to mention about one institute, which is the Hindu Zone. When you will connect to the Hindu Zone by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com, they will provide you a completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone provides a counseling session, and that too completely free of cost, which is definitely a great advantage for the students. So when student will call the institute or connect to them, the institute expert mentors will talk to the students and will try to solve their doubts, and also will guide them that according to their course which institution is best for them. Now let us move towards our top 4 institutes for best NEET preparations in quota. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is one of the finest coaching center for NEET preparation. It is completely online coaching and is spread across all over India. So you should definitely try Toppers Academy once. If you wish to connect to the institute, you can do it by going to their website, which is www.toppersacademy.app. At rank 2, we have Ellen Career Institute. Ellen classes aim to create a new benchmark in the field of education. It is set up with objective of providing the best competitive edge to the students. Further, Ellen classes also has its own research and develop team that continuously develops the finest teaching methodologies, incorporating the latest trends of the country's competitive medical examinations. Moreover, Ellen is a symbol of the United Family, which was started by just 4 members, and now it has grown up in a large group of 1300 members as on date. With a trust of 3.25 lakh students, this was the only institute of its time providing coaching of all the subjects under one roof, that is, biology, physics, chemistry and mathematics. This has made the institute a very popular and very convenient approach for students in terms of time and conveyance. Nationwide, Ellen had 55 toppers in NEET 2018 who broke into top 100. This is the biggest achievement any coaching institute would have till date. Now, let us talk about the features of Ellen Institute. The very first feature includes they include a team of 6,500 faculties or more, including 380 plus IITians and 80 plus doctors. Second, they give an unmatched education system with Indian values and with maximum talented students joining Ellen till date. And at last, it is one of the best institute giving quality results in each of the field mentioned here, that is pre-medical, pre-engineering and pre-nurture and career foundation year after year. Okay, so at rank 3, we have Resonance Adventures. Resonance Adventures is one of the best NEET coaching institutes in quota. They have their best faculty for medical entrance exam preparation. Further, they have led an educational movement which is dedicated to the modest cause of helping students across the country to make them succeed in their professional career like medical and engineering. They also offer absolute decorum in personal and professional life. Their aim is to provide a comprehensive counseling that addresses the academic career development of all the students. It provides a feature that is fully integrated and works with students to ensure quality learning and lifelong success. Moreover, in this institute, there are 3 to 6 lectures in a week for each subject. The lecture duration is of 90 minutes, that is 1.5 hours. They conduct weekly tests which are of 2 types, namely part tests and cumulative tests. These tests help students to prepare well and clear their doubts regarding the exam. This institute provides a question bank which is divided into 2 two parts, MQB1 for objective questions and MQB2 for subjective questions. At the end of MQBs, there is a miscellaneous exercise which is excellent for the students' practice. On the whole, there was about 500 selection from resonance quota this year, no, not this year, but in NEET 2018. Now let us talk about the features of the institute. So, the very first is they have a provision for distance and e-learning courses. They provide excellent study materials which are specially designed for competitions. And number 3, the institute uses modern technology in their coaching practices such as audio video classes and online test series. And at last, they have profound experience and training teaching staff. The last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also a rank 4 institute, is Bansal Classes. Bansal Classes believes in saying that change does not roll on the wheels of inevitability, rather comes through continuous struggle. Accepting the change and making strategies accordingly is the quality of a leader. This is what Bansal Classes have been following, adopting methods that best suit to the students to crack entrance examinations. Mr. V.K. Bansal, one of the best educator in 1984, felt the need of providing right direction to JEE NEET aspirants for pre-medical preparations. He gave his full dedication and had a positive attitude. Bansal Classes produced wonderful results each year. Further, their objective is to provide equal studying opportunities to all students appearing for competitive examinations like NEET and enhance the development of their students through quality teaching by being the first to adopt the changes introduced in the field of engineering and medical entrance examinations and organize their teaching methods accordingly. Now let us discuss some of the features of the institute. So the very first is teaching methodology. It is important that teachers know how to use a variety of teaching methodologies in order to acquire it for the range of learning needs and requirements that are present within most class environments. All students, regardless of their level, can acquire benefit from the improved study technique, keeping in mind the need of aspirants. So friends, these were our top 4 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city quota. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutes. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.